All right, here we go again, new project. We're going to make a whole outfit. Okay, well, maybe not a whole outfit because we're not going to make the shoes and we're not going to make the socks. Could make the underwear, but we're not going to make those. Okay, we're going to make a shirt and a pair of shorts, and then we're going to match it with a pair of shoes, socks, underwear, and all that good stuff. Let's go. Okay, so this time I actually do have a pair of sneakers that I'm using as the inspiration for the outfit. The last time I was inspired to make the design and then I put some sneakers with it, made a shirt to go with it. But this time we're basing everything on a pair of sneakers. And what sneakers, you ask? Well, it's probably the last pair of Yeezy 700 Inertias, since Adidas has announced that they are officially going to drop Kanye, and they're going to put out the silhouettes still, but they won't be branded Yeezy anymore. So this might be the last pair of Yeezy Inertias that are actually made with the Yeezy branding on it. I don't know. So, let's get right into it. So, as far as the design for the shorts, I'm actually revisiting the splatter print shorts that I made in a previous video, but with some obvious color tweaks to go with the Yeezy 700 Inertias. And let's just check it out. Let's get into it. Right, so I don't know if you noticed, when I was actually cutting the pattern design out for the shirt, it was actually all white, and then I actually had to dye it, but I didn't want to bore you guys with me basically just dipping the fabric in some water for about 30 to 45 minutes, turning it every 15 minutes until it turned the color that I wanted. So, kind of skipped that part. Let's get back into it. down into my warehouse space, my print shop, and what's going to happen right now is I'm going to have to make some adjustments to the process. So pretty much when I sent the artwork over to the fabric printer to have the design printed onto the fabric, what I noticed was the peach or coral color, they weren't able to replicate it exactly. I wanted it really close. And so since they weren't able to do that, we're actually going to make some adjustments right now. And pretty much I'm going to print it on a design. So let's go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. If you have a pair of sneakers that you want to see, if you have an outfit or something that you want me to put together, make something for, just hit me up in the comments and I'll definitely add that on to my list of outfits to make and projects to work on. Let's get back into it.